I've been doing this close to 20 years and I've worked in multiple firms, all plaintiffs' personal injury cases. I get clients who reach out to me because they want to leave the firm that they're at because they're just not getting the attention that they deserve. And my goal has always been to make sure that I'm treating them with the respect that they deserve because I know it's personal to them. Priority is to make sure that the clients feel like they're being treated as importantly as any other client. Their injuries and the effect that it's having on their lives is being valued by somebody. And at first it's me because I'm the one they're gonna deal with initially. In fact, every one of my clients gets my business card, which has my cell phone on it. I get text messages on the weekends, I get calls on the weekends. At the very least, I reach out to them almost instantly and say, I may not have your file in front of me, but I'm going to put you on the calendar right now so that when I get back in the office, we're gonna talk.
You need someone who's on your side. Thankfully, Brian was able to represent my parents and give what they're entitled to. My parents and I, we have lived in Sacramento all of our lives. When my parents got into an accident, they told me about it. They said that they were transported by ambulance to a hospital and that their car was towed to a tow yard. My parents, they're not native English speakers. And so when the insurance companies are trying to talk to my parents, there's things there that they're talking about that my parents aren't gonna necessarily understand.
It becomes so overwhelming even just dealing with the insurance company up front. But when a lawyer steps in to take that stress off your shoulders, it's a completely different situation. You get to focus on just your injury, just getting better.
One thing I like about Brian, he actually really cares what happens to you. I had a major shoulder injury and I'm a hairstylist for 30 years. Like, that is not a good situation. And he was just really patient and never got frustrated with me if I reached out. He was able to reassure me if we needed to go further with some sort of treatment or, get a certain professional opinion. He had the resources.
Yeah, the priority is communication and create a firm atmosphere where I can give that attention to each and every one of my clients. I get to train my staff, make sure they're doing things the way I want them to do it on cases, and that includes being personal with the clients, making sure they respond to every client, every request, every email, every call.
Brian is very personable, and as far as being an attorney, he's really easy to get a hold of. I'm a very organized person, so I love doing everything behind the scenes and keeping clients' files organized, keeping everything up to date. I'm always available to speak with clients, answer any questions they have regarding their case status and what the next steps are in their case.
I want them to feel like if they ever have questions, if they ever have any needs to be taken care of, especially related to the case, that they can reach out to us and we'll take care of it.
When Brian took over the case, he dealt with the insurance companies the entire time.
It actually is a huge sense of relief because you feel like someone is advocating for you in a way that you are not capable of doing on your own.
Who would you rather have in your case in the courtroom than the person that's been handling that case from day one? Knowing that I can take that away from a client so that they can focus on getting better, focus on their family, focus on work, whatever other issues they have, gives me great satisfaction.
I don't know who else would have been able to help my parents, and Brian is definitely the person to do it.
Let him take that stress from you and then help you navigate to a better outcome.
Brian helped us with a car accident, so he's very good.
At Brian Azemika Law, if you have questions, reach out to us. It's free, the consultation's free. We'll discuss your case and help you navigate it.